Chapter 38 Legends of Bollywood. There are many legends in Bollywood who have conquered Indian cinema. First, Raj Kapoor. Raj Kapoor was the son of well-known Indian actor Prithviraj Kapoor, who acted both in film and on stage. After apprenticing in the Bollywood production studios of the 1940s, at 24 years of age, Raj Kapoor produced, directed and acted in AAG 1948 with his new company RK Films. Second, Manoj Kumar. Hari Krishna Goswami, better known by his screen name Manoj Kumar, is an Indian actor, film director, screenwriter, lyricist and editor who worked in Hindi cinema. He is known for acting and making films with patriotic theme and has been given nickname Bharat Kumar. Third, Dharmendra. Dharmendra Singh Deol, born 8 December 1935. Known mononymously as Dharmendra, is an Indian actor, producer and politician who is primarily known for his work in Hindi films as well as in a few Punjabi films. Known as the first He-Man of Bollywood, Dharmendra has worked in over 300 films in a career spanning over 6 decades. Fourth, Meena Kumari. Meena Kumari was an Indian actress and poetess who worked in Hindi films. Popularly known as the Tragedy Queen, she was active between 1939 and 1972. In a career spanning 33 years, from child actress to adult, she starred in over 90 films. Fifth, Ashok Kumar. Kumudlal Ganguly, better known by his stage name Ashok Kumar and also by Dada Muni, was an Indian actor who attained iconic status in Indian cinema. Sixth, Dilip Kumar. Muhammad Yusuf Khan, better known by his stage name Dilip Kumar, was an Indian actor who worked in Hindi cinema. Credited with pioneering method acting in cinema, he dominated the Indian movie scene from late 1940s throughout 1960s, being referred to as the Abhinay Samrat by the audience. Seventh, Nutan. Nutan Samarth Bahal, known mononymously as Nutan, was an Indian actress who worked in Hindi films. In a career spanning nearly 4 decades, she appeared in more than 80 films, mostly as a protagonist. 8th, Rajkumar. Rajkumar, born Kulbhushan Pandit, 8th October 1926 to 3rd July 1996. He was an Indian actor who worked in Hindi films. He appeared in the Oscar-nominated 1957 film Mother India and starred in over 70 Hindi films in a career that spanned over 4 decades.